Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell as I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video is going to be on how to get things done with a Happy Planner. As you guys know, I am an avid Happy Planner user. I love my Happy Planner, and even though I have had multiple planners in the past, like an Erin Condren, I will always use my Happy Planner either with an additional planner or by itself. So currently I am in between two planners because this planner does not start until July, but this is my main planner. It is my daily planner. It is the one that holds my entire life together. So we're going to be talking about some productivity tips, some different things that you can do with your planner. Now, this will apply to any planner, but I am specifically talking about the Happy Planner. So my first tip is to add a table of contents to your planner. I've talked about this in a couple of my past videos, but I really love the structure of adding a table of contents, especially if you are the type of person that like to switch up your planner a lot. So as of now, I think I've changed it since the last time that I've shown you my table of contents. But as of right now, I have my inbox, my calendar, my business section, my budget section, my work section, and my home section. Just having these sections and being able to see right at my fingertips what is in my planner and what's under each section helps me out so much. So I really love this structure. And of course, like I said, you can do this in any planner. You can write it out at the front of the planner. But I love the table of contents in the Happy Planner Big because I printed out this sheet and then I'm able to just throw it in here, right? I can just punch holes in the paper and put it in my planner. And that is just so easy to me. It makes it very, very customizable, keeps things very neat. And I love this. So my first tip, add a table of contents to your planner. My second tip is to add an inbox section. So your inbox section is like your note section. I actually got this from Getting Things Done, the book that kind of tells you how to be more productive. But adding an inbox gives you a daily place where you can brain dump and then assign those different things out of your inbox section instead of having notes all over the place. So in my inbox section, as you can see, I have like my brain dump, I have the workshop that I was currently working on, and then I have my sections of work, business, home, and other. And this is where I'm just jotting down different things that I need to do. As soon as I hear about something and I need to just hurry up and write it down, I'm putting it here. So then that way I can look at this, see what needs to go in another section, and then I can move it at the end of my day. So throughout my entire day, I am just jotting down random notes here. By the end of the day, I am looking over these notes, seeing what I did, checking it off. Then that way it doesn't have to go anywhere else. But anything that didn't get done, that needs to be processed, that needs to be done, can actually go on my calendar. So I love this system of just having a spot in my planner where I can write whatever I want and it doesn't have to be pretty. This is a great productivity tool for me because this way I get the freedom of writing, whatever I need in my planner without the feeling of it not being pretty. Definitely add an inbox section to your planner because it will help you out so much and you won't feel like you have to have everything be super pretty, super neat, super nice with stickers all the time. My third tip is one that you've also heard before in a previous video, and that is to have top tabs and side tabs. So as you know, I am a big believer of having both top tabs and side tabs in my planner. The side tabs are for subjects. So as you can see on my side tabs, I have my home, business, work, and my budgeting tab. The top tabs are actually for frequently visited sections. So I have my inbox, I have my outlines, and then I have my routines. So those are the three tabs that I flip to quickly when I need to flip to one of the, easy to get to sections. And then these are my subject sections that I get to flip to whenever I need to. My next tip is to use highlighters and different color pens in order to track your productivity. So I think in almost every video that I post, I always get the question about either my highlighters or my pens. My favorite highlighter to use is the Mildliner Highlighter. It has a lighter, look into where it's not too dark for the page and it doesn't darken out your ink too much. You do have to make sure that you wait for the ink to dry, especially if you use the pen that I like. But I do love the Mildliner highlighters. It's one of my favorite highlighters to use. You can get these from Amazon, and if you look in the description box under my Amazon favorites, you will see them linked there. My second favorite thing to use for color coding is my pens. So I always use a black pen and a red pen, and I use the Papermate Ink Joy gel pen 0.7. Now, the way that I like to structure my notes and just different things that I'm writing in my planner is I will usually write in black and write down anything that's happening or plans in black. And then any changes that happens or when it's done or when it's posted or whatever it may be, it's written in red. And I use the same type of pen in a red pen. I keep both of them attached to my actual planner. That way I'm not always looking for one or the other. And it's a great way to stay on top of my productivity, to stay on top of what I have actually done. It helps me be able to quickly look at something and see what it is. Did I do it? Is it checked off? And how many changes did I make based on these two pens right here? And then with the color coding, I will color code different things in my planner for different reasons. Like for instance, if it is a YouTube video, or like with this one, it was a YouTube video, so I put it in yellow. But if it's a blog post or an email, sometimes I will put it in green. And then that way it kind of lets me know quickly that I did this on YouTube versus I sent this as an email. And then sometimes if it's planner related, I will put it in pink. So just different ways for me to stay on top of my notes is by using different color pens and highlighters. So I definitely recommend that you use those. My fourth tip is to use a time management system. So you guys know that I have historically been a happy planner, hourly planner girl. But with this planner, I have decided to go vertical, but I am still going to use the time management system in order to time block my day. Now, I did an entire video on how to use the time blocking system, and I will link that video above so that you're able to check it out. But just in essence, when you are looking at it as a vertical planner, if you have a vertical planner, you can time block by allotting times for different sections of the day. So as you can see, the top section here is my morning section, and it's 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then my afternoon section can be 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. here, and then evening can be 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. The reason why I have decided to try this one out instead of doing the hourly planner that I have done in the past is because usually the planner ends at like 7 or 8 p.m. with a happy planner, and my days always go after the time that's allotted. I always need more. I need more space, more time frames. And since it doesn't have it in the hourly, I decided to try out this way and see if it would work for me. So the idea is to plan out each time frame in each section, and then once again use my pens to check off different things that I have done. And I'm hoping that using this way to time block my day will help me stay on top of different things and keep myself very productive. My next tip has to do with the planner itself. So as you guys know, I had multiple planners that I would use on a daily basis, and I just recently decided to switch up that entire system. And that is because I wanted to have one planner that was dedicated to my entire life, which is this planner. Now, think that with me saying that, it may have confused a couple of people because they thought that that meant I was not using any other planner at all. That's not the case. I have just switched how I use my different planners. So when I said I want one planner to plan my life, I mean I want this one planner to be the only planner that I need with me on a daily basis, meaning that all the sections in this planner is allotted to my life. I do have other planners, like I have just switched the Erin Condren planner that I was using as a catch-all planner as my memory planner. So I will be still planning in this one as a memory planner. I still will be planning in this planner as my faith planner. That's just something that I can just jot down different notes on my faith. And I will still be using this planner as my reading planner. So I still have other planners, my reading planner, my faith planner, my memory planner, but this one is the only one I need to carry around with me on a daily basis to make sure I am productive. So I would suggest that if you decide to do the same, you have one planner that's a catch-all planner that has all the sections of your life that you need in one spot, so that you only have to go to one space in order to see everything. But then you can have other planners for the fun, creative side that you still may love that has to do with planning. And so that is what I'm planning on doing, and I wanted to clear that up, but I think that it will be a really, really great system because these planners can actually live on my desk. I get to still have fun with them and still create in them and still play with stickers and, you know, whenever that need arises. But I still have the function productivity tool that I need to balance out my life and get everything done. And my last tip for the Happy Planner Big is to get you a cover that has pockets. I really love the fact that this tool cover that I use has pockets and that it is attached to my planner. I used to have a pocket that was in the planner that came with the Happy Planner. However, it would be so bulky and it would make it to where I could not close my planner, meaning my planner was not flat as it is right now. And that would kind of bother me. So the fact that I found that the tool cover actually covers the Happy Planner cover, I feel like this is a very sleek, very minimal look. I really, really love the color, and I have it in black also. And I love the fact that there are pockets on the side, so I can have my business cards right on in the front here, and also have my most used stickers, which means that everything that I need when I am ready to plan is literally at my fingertips. I have my stickers, the functional ones that I use in this planner. I have business cards in case I'm out and about. I have notes in case I need to flip open to my inbox section and write anything down. And I have my pins when they are attached to the side of my planner. So I literally can write, I can check off things, I can take notes, I can add stickers all in one spot. And my planner still looks very minimal, very functional, and it keeps me very productive. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video on how to get things done with a Happy Planner, and I will see you in the next one. If you have any additional tips for everyone, make sure that you leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.